When you delete an event in Google Calendar, it doesn't disappear forever immediately. Google uses what's called a soft delete process. Instead of permanent deletion, the event is moved to a special area called the trash, giving you time to recover it if needed. This soft delete system provides a crucial 30-day grace period for event recovery. Google Calendar gives you exactly 30 days to recover any deleted event from the trash before it's permanently removed. But there's an even faster way to recover a deleted event if you act immediately. If you act within 5 to 10 seconds of deleting an event, Google Calendar shows an undo notification pop-up on both desktop and mobile versions. This immediate undo feature has a nearly 100% success rate when you catch it in time, making it the fastest recovery method available. Google also sends email notifications when events are moved to trash, helping you stay informed about any deletions in your calendar. Remember, Google Calendar's soft delete system protects your events, but the fastest recovery happens when you use the immediate undo feature within seconds of deletion. If you miss the immediate undo option, Google Calendar provides a trash recovery system that keeps deleted events for 30 days. On desktop, access the trash through the Settings menu. Click the gear icon in Google Calendar, then select Trash from the drop-down menu. On mobile devices, find the trash by tapping the menu icon with 3 horizontal lines, then selecting Trash from the menu options. In the trash, you can restore events individually by selecting specific items, or use bulk restoration to recover multiple events simultaneously. If an entire calendar was deleted, use the Import and Export section in Settings, then select Restore Calendars. Note that this only works for recently deleted calendars. Remember these key requirements. You need an active Google account. Events must be within the 30-day window. You need proper permissions for shared calendars, and a stable internet connection for the recovery process.